do you say to this question? Para kanino ka hindi bumabangon?
This is such an interesting question, no, Alex? Because I don't sleep. Therefore, hindi ako bumabangon. Ang katotohanan, you know why? Because sleep is a privilege. And we need to check our privilege. Huwag tayong insensitive, huwag tulog ng tulog, dapat laging gising. At sabi nga sa akin ng sarili ko the last time that I dozed off, ang simoy ng hangin sa akin ay lumalamig na. Shotgun, shotgun, ganja, ganja, Buddha, Buddha. That's right. When I tried to sleep, I became delirious. And that's what's happening when you're sleeping. You are all becoming delirious. Open your eyes. Stay woke. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 1. Buti, hindi ka pa namatay. Buhay ka pa hanggang ngayon.
Gosh, Monica, but guys, I have something I need to tell you eh.
Ano?
Ano yun, I don't think I like boys.
You don't like boys? Eh, ilan na yung 5 boyfriends ka na? You don't like boys pa?
That's why I know now that I don't like boys, because after 5,
The boys like you so much, Shaniqua.
I know, it's so hard for me.
I tag out Dulce.
Wow, the clown is so good at juggling! Mr. Clown, what else can you do? Can you eat fire?
I can.
Yay!
Sort of. No, small fire. Here,
Eat
let me...
small fire! Eat small fire!
I tag out Mini. Okay, girl, let's go home now. It's enough. I know you had so much fun, but you know, we have school tomorrow.
I can't play anymore. I want to play some more.
Okay, let's go home now. Come on, we have school tomorrow.
Can I eat ice cream though? I want some ice cream.
All right.
Have ice cream?
Freeze! I take out Shabina. Oh my gosh, Sensen, you're so good at ping pong! You're so unbeatable!
I'm good at everything. Oh my god!
I don't even need a racket, no? Racket ba yun? Oh my gosh. Wait, I'm so tired na! Ay! Oh my gosh, Sensen, I'm so tired.
I win again.
I know! Oh my gosh, Sen. Look over there. There's a pogi.
Oh my god, he's so foggy.
He's so pogi. Did you see his dimple?
Yeah, it's so lalam. Oh my, so cute. You think he has a girlfriend? Baka he looks single.